Students, will see with the fourth type of problem in e raised to minus as into f of s type. So they are asking us to find for the L inverse of s e raised to minus s by 2 plus pi e raised to minus s upon s square plus pi square. Plus sign has come in the numerator, so I'll try to split the denominator as s e raised to minus s by 2 upon s square plus pi square plus L inverse of pi into e raised to minus s upon s square plus pi square. E to the power of as form is there. Here also e to the power of minus as form is there. I will try to express in the form of L inverse of e raised to minus as into f of s plus L inverse of e raised to minus s into f of s, and I'll mark this as equation number 1. I will solve this term separately. So first I'll see for the L inverse of e raised to minus s by 2 into s upon s square plus pi square. So comparing, we are having f of s as s upon s square plus pi square. A is 1 by 2. Coefficient of s is 1 by 2. So a is 1 by 2. Once we get f of s, we can calculate for f of t. So hence L inverse of f of s is L inverse of s upon s square plus pi square. It is as good as s upon s square plus a square. Whose L inverse it is? Cos at. How much is a? Pi. So hence once we get f of t, replace a t by t minus a. Now what is your a? This is not your a. This is your a. That is e to the power of. So a is 1 by 2. So t is replaced by t minus 1 by 2. So f of t minus 1 by 2 is equals to cos of pi into t minus 1 by 2. Multiply pi inside. So this becomes cos pi t minus pi by 2. So pi by 2 means how much? 90. So I will write first 90 and then pi t. But here if I have to write, I have to take the negative sign. So cos of minus of 90 minus pi t, and cos of minus theta is always cos theta. So 90 can be written as 1 into 90 minus pi t. 1 is the odd number, so cos will change to sin. So sin pi t. Hence here now here I am having sin pi t, replacing now here t by t minus 1 by 2, that is once we get f of t minus 1 by 2, multiply this function with u of t minus 1 by 2. That you mark it as equation number 1. Once we get this, the second equation, that is second function's L inverse, we'll see now. So L inverse of the second function is L inverse of e raised to minus s into pi upon s square plus pi square. So I need to compare it with L inverse of e raised to minus s into f of s, which is equals to f of t minus a into u of t minus a. Therefore I am getting f of s as pi upon s square plus pi square. And what is your a? A is 1. Coefficient of s is 1. Once we get f of s, the very next step is to find for f of t. So L inverse of f of s, that is L inverse of pi upon s square plus pi square. If you observe, this is a s square plus a square. Whose Laplace inverse it is? It is sin pi t. So hence once we get f of t, replace a t by t minus a. How much is your a? 1. Means t, where all t is there, replace it by t minus 1. So f of t minus 1 is equals to sin of pi into t minus 1. Multiply pi inside. So sin pi t minus pi. So I'll write first pi and then I'll write pi t. So I'll take negative sign common. So pi minus pi t. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. How much is pi? It is 180. That is 2 into 90. And this as it is. 2 is a even number, so sin will remain sin pi t. 2 into 90 minus theta lies in the second quadrant, so where sin is positive. This sign is positive, so plus. Plus into minus is minus sin pi t. What it is? F of t minus 1. Once we get f of t minus 1, the final answer will be L inverse of e raised to minus s pi upon s square plus pi square is equals to minus sin pi t into u of t minus 1. Equation number B. Substituting a and b in equation 1, I will get my final solution for the given function. So this way we are solving for such type of problems in which we are getting e raised to minus as into f of s form. Very important problems. Thank you.